Guru, and the music industry, the vibe is changing.
No correct.
We're a hip hop artist.
Yeah.
But say Afrobeat, Afro high life, Afro dancehall, Afro fusion, and Amapiano. Why are you not changing to the changing trends?
Trend no. Trend be wo high boy, trend be wo answer boy. And yet trend be you follow. Me side of music no is either a set trend na say yeah. And I need the beer na adibia ba odo ho beji because measure the likes of Lumba Moa high life na no mugusubo high life na so the wo Afrobeat no ba kamia koyeze you promote Ghana music no the people representing Ghanaians some of these record labels outside Ghana no fa say oko iTunes ubenya Afrobeat uko DistroKid abenya Afrobeat adete onya high life that means bibi enkoyi and there was a figure out to me trend na there a collaboration wise may but send me am could rest to your about trend there
okay on Ghana web 8 February 2021
no correct
headline you won't be at the top forever. Don't forget how I help you get an ambassadorial deal. Guru replies Kwame Eugene. Popular highlight artist. Popular highlight artist, hip life artist Guru has replied, quote and unquote, arrogant Kwame Eugene. After the latter denied him a feature on his Ghana Web 13 February 1 week after the first story meaning say Ghana Web only omo contractor o story simple
Ghana Web omo very supportive of Ghanaian artists.
Who acquires 20 acres of land in Eastern region to build NKZ city 8 months down the line. How is the NKZ city going?
As an artist, I started my journey for 20 years, been consistent for 12 years. Ghana music is called, and as an artist, you know, a marketing student, I would say me fulfilling my side of being the business side on it. And my name is team. I have acquired 25 acres. A more crowd, they call me 30 acres. But sad dream, no, any sika no, nyeba for and we hardly get investors in this field because Ghanaians are too comfortable with a certain zone. Ghana who say we will be a baby beside the training, will be Tom Brodo, will be able to. Until this is initiative, you're planning for the 50 or 30 years of my career or my life, you know. Before I'm saying we will make sure say KZ Music we fulfill this goal. It's a big deal, but cash.
Okay, a few months ago, on Twitter, on time Twitter, I said Guru be Twitter.
Twitter never told me.
Aye, Guru Twitter be a net only a 7 ever. Top 100 Ghana iTunes. Ghana music has failed. The truth hurts. Ghana is sleeping in the world of entertainment. We are left behind. Period. And all the heartbreak emojis in our account.
Yeah.
What really happened? I didn't buy into Twitter.
I beg sad truth. Meaning is even my promo. Because it will be our top 10 Ghana music, Ghana songs or iTunes. Now go ahead chat. We are top 20. We are top 100. How many Ghanaian songs are who are top 100 Ghana iTunes no? Like actually me. We are 20. The bomb as soon as
Hey.
Yeah.
Assembly is critical.
Yes. And the sad truth.
Guru say Oko iTunes top 100.
Yeah.
So we got 20 Ghanaian songs.
That's straight.
Sako there.
Yes.
Shatter.
What do you call Ghana iTunes?
Stone Boy.
Of course.
Only
Yes,
20.
20. That's a 21 anymore. The last time we checked here, we moved 5.
Is that why you're saying Ghana music is sleeping?
Yeah, I think, sir, the regulations, the regulating body in terms of Ghana music ain't yet effective. Anyone not effective. The system with the Ghana music is not working. The truth is, I am not saying because I am who be bring a while. Say, my boy young for almost like 12 or 20 years. Now say, Nigeria royalties that means we have a problem.
When I want Busaya and I'm farmer.
The Ekwaji Mesikano, I'm Pemian Fama de Amame. But Hunyansa Dimidin Kwaji, a chrono.
That's just Obiaji Sika royalties.
A chrono.
It means music royalties and there's no fairness, transparency, and accountability.
You're finding ways to get whatever we want and entertain the fans, and we make our money. Now, it's sad to say, you said may register with DistroKid before Minya royalties, which is wrong.
Guru, you started like with Kasiebo, on the tree and on the buyer. You stayed true to your originality.
No press.
Yeah. Do you think, sir, we don't appreciate Ghanaians a decree?
No. I can't say. Angelique Kujo, is a woman of our Grammy, no?
Yeah, Angelique Kujo.
Language now old to the Brofudimo. Yeah, and Bongo and Co.
Yeah.
Brofudim. Guy here was on the hay, Osha Tanzania, Diamond Platinum. Or you know, the last time it is auto Brofudim, they PGB or the World 1-1. The truth is, being successful as a musician has got nothing to do with your language. But language don't call the masses, but the same masses with your quality of music and over pass the crowd.
Is that why you're saying that? Do we even appreciate Wayala?
Yeah.
We don't deserve such a talent.
Of course. When was the last time we said Wayala? No, Menkaipo. The sad truth is, we have so many talents, but we don't encourage them. Example, Gemini. Imagine Gemini, or every potential to take Ghana anywhere. The people are more excelling or Ghana more. Rocky Dauni, maintaining them or Ghana for the past 10 years, die already so. And so they are representing our Grammys.
The sad truth. The sad truth.
Yeah.
So it means that, like R2B said, I don't need Ghana media support to be successful.
Okay. The last time we call online, I've been reading something positive for Ghanaian artists if it is not controversy. Once in a while, the Obetino, what is a BB trend or Ghana? Near Bonnet. When was the last time who is a BB trend or Ghana giddy air the pada? Most of it is negative. And the bad influence of the agenda to project negativities on social media, and many will yet bear the pain now. In the next 5, 10, 20 years,
sister, I said, hello, sister. Maybe that somebody catch us over, brother, Guru.